welcome to the part 2. I am so sorry to extend the video so long, but it had to be because I just wanted you guys to understand everything. We have still not completed how to use classes because we need to use our static, and we need to counter one problem which we previously had and we fixed it, but now as we are using classes we will rise to that problem again, and I'll show you what the problem is. So I think we have completed our portion here. I just need to make new citizens. I'll make Alex is equal to new citizen. I'll name him Alex. I'll give him some good heavy bucks, 5,000. I'll say he lives in New York again. No, we are making a city app. What the hell? New York, not Blake Street. And we'll give him Wine Street. And then we can pass one more thing. I think we should, and which is mayor. He is the mayor, so true. And I'll just make one more citizen because I am too lazy. And we had John is equal to new citizen. Oh, I'm so sorry. Citizen, and I'll say let's see, John, and I'll give him 500 bucks, and I'll just say he lives on Old Kent Road. If you get this reference, it's cool. If you do not, it's fine. And I'll reduce the money of Steve because obviously. So this is something you have to do. Every time you have to create an object. Right now, for you guys, there is no solution on that. Later on, if this series demands, I'll show you a solution around, but for now you have to always write a line for each person, but then it's convenient because we are using classes. So I'll just go Alex dot calculate taxes again, and then I'll go uh, John dot calculate taxes, and this should be pretty much it. But now again, in the last few videos, the main reason of us using loops, I guess, was to get rid of this calculate taxes, calculate taxes, calculate taxes. We just needed something clean so we can use it, and we have learned where we can loop through classes, which is super awesome. We have learned somewhere for each. I have promised you guys, like, if you don't get the use case of for each, you'll learn it in object oriented where we start using classes, and this is exactly uh, the place you use for each. So I'll make a citizen, name citizen, uh, for each citizen in. Okay, so I'll need to make an array to access for each. Yeah, we need an array for this. So I'll just go uh, citizen array. Then again, you can make arrays of classes as well, which is super awesome. Which is Steve, Alex, and John. Again, you can use a list here because, as I said, we using lists are much better. But again, I'm lazy. I'm lazy as hell. And I'll say citizens. And there is one fix here. Okay, what the error you are giving? I'll say new citizen. Oh my god. Yeah. So what the? Okay, I'm going somewhere wrong and I'm not getting it. Welcome to debugging with Rugved Somvanshi. Uh, into int. Oh my god. Okay guys, let's see if he gives any potential fixes. Fix something, come on. Fix formatting, okay. Okay, I'll just pause this video and I'll be back. So I remember I'm like legit fucking up the syntax. Just so sad. I just remembered. Okay, now it works. And then I just can go citizen dot calculate taxes. So this is how we do things in classes. And now if I go, you can see Steve doesn't have to pay taxes. Citizen, what the hell? Oh right, we didn't do this. I forgot again. And we need to complete the constructor which we made here. I totally forgot to do that. Now if we run it, we have all the things we need. And I hope you I hope you understood how classes work. There is only one thing remaining in this video. It is 6 minutes, so I can cover it, which is our citizen count, which is static. So every time I make a citizen, I want it to get added so I can count the population, I guess. I don't know. So what I can do is I'll just remove the static first here so you guys can understand what is going on. So I'll go citizen plus plus, no, citizen count plus plus. I'll and it says doesn't exist in the current context. Why is that? What the hell, it exists? Are you kidding me, man? It is public, it is int. Shouldn't, like, seriously, man. Let's try it again. Oh my god, I misspelled it. It's been a lot of errors in this two videos when I'm teaching classes. I'm sorry about it, to be honest. I'm super hungry and I'm recording this for like 40 minutes now, and yeah. So we put our citizen count in both our constructors, and if I run it and I want to print the citizen count, so I can go print Steve dot citizen count. This should work. Oh, we don't have print here. What are you doing? We have console.writeLine. I mean, come on. So we made 3 objects and 3 citizens, but it's showing us 1, which is we don't want it. That's why we have static. So static is a proper. If I just give it static here, it will become a property of the class citizen itself. It is not the best explanation I can give, and again it is showing us error if I make it static because citizen.citizen count cannot be accessed with an instance reference qualified with a type name instead. Again, I'll explain. What is it? It is saying about an instance. So creating an object is basically Steve is an instance of the class citizen, which is an object. It is an instance. That's all you need to know. But now we made it static, so it's giving us error. So I'll just go citizen, not citizen count. Yeah. Work, god damn it. So this is it, and if we run now, 3. which is super awesome, because if we don't keep it static, it becomes a property of the object. I don't want that. I want it to be a property of the citizen. That's why we are giving it citizen.count. Again, if you don't understand anything in these two videos which I have uploaded over classes, make sure to comment. I mean, it's so important. If you don't get this, comment it down. I'll come up with an explanation much better than the video if I can at that time. I'll explain it to you. I'll reply within 1-2 days. I'll try my best, because my YouTube Studio app does not give me any notifications. That's the problem. So I keep constantly checking the comments still. So make sure to comment anything, any doubt. I'll try my best to reply. But I think I should end it here. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, comment down below. In next part, I think we'll work on inheritance, or we'll work on enums. I can't promise. Enums will be third if I don't want to work on inheritance right away, because I don't see a use case of inheritance right now when I'm recording this. But if I just stop recording, and if I think, I'll surely make a video on it. So yeah, comment, like, subscribe. Bye bye.